In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize track changes colors in Microsoft Word. If you collaborate on documents, clear, consistent colors for edits can make a huge difference. Today, we'll set the exact colors Word uses to show insertions, deletions, moved text, and comments, so your revisions are easy to scan and understand at a glance. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. With the document ready, look to the top ribbon and head over to the Review tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools for editing, comments, and change tracking. In the Review tab, find the Tracking group. It's the section that controls how changes are displayed while you're collaborating. Within the Tracking group, click Markup, then choose Advanced Options. This opens the Advanced Track Changes Options dialog box, where you can fine-tune how edits appear on your screen. Here's what to customize. First, set the color for insertions. This is the color Word uses to show new text that's been added. Pick a color that stands out from your document's body text, something you'll notice quickly without straining your eyes. Next, choose the Deletions color. This color marks text that has been removed. Many people pick a strong contrast for deletions, so they're unmissable. The goal is to instantly differentiate what's been taken out from what's been added. Then, adjust the moved text color. When text is moved from one place to another, Word can show it with a specific color to tell you it wasn't simply added or deleted. A unique color here helps you distinguish a relocation from other kinds of edits. Finally, set the comments color. This affects the color used for comment indicators and balloons. Choose something readable that won't clash with your insertion and deletion colors, especially if you rely on comments for feedback or instructions. As you make these choices, aim for a palette with clear contrast and good accessibility. If you or your collaborators are sensitive to certain colors or use dark mode, select colors that remain legible across themes. Keep in mind that these settings affect how changes display on your device. Others may see different colors depending on their own Word settings. When you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Your display updates immediately, and from now on, your chosen colors will be used whenever track changes is shown in this document. That's it. Simple, clear, and tailored to your workflow. With these colors set, reviewing edits becomes faster and more accurate, helping you stay focused on the content instead of deciphering what changed.